We were lucky to have some long-term painters that were on staff for 20, 25 years, and they recently retired. So we've had a lot of turnover, and we had to bring in some new people, and we reached out for technical support, and we were just shocked how robust the support was and how quick it was and how attentive and ongoing. It's really been really great.
The access to the technical knowledge base that we have available to us is a huge help. Anytime we may find that we have some challenges, it's rectified almost instantly, really.
Our painters, they have their personal cell phone numbers. They can reach out at any time, and the support is always there. Like, they have our back, and they support our process and what we're trying to do. So it's a very strong relationship, and it's a lengthy relationship.
AkzoNobel's technical team has really made a difference in helping and supporting our technicians with their growth and development, and really, push them to that next level with the product that they use today.
The technical support we receive from AkzoNobel is really what generates our business. Really, weekly, we look forward to our tech support coming in because he brings that value, so we don't need a salesman to come in and sell us a product. He's going to show us the product. He's going to show us how to implement that on a daily basis.
When an OEM launches a new paint color or a new tri-coat or quad coat, we see it pretty quickly. So when our painters encounter a product issue or a color match issue, AkzoNobel, Sikkens, and their associated supply chain of vendors and distributors are always there in a heartbeat.
The technical team's guys are always there for us. I have them on my cell phone. I can get on FaceTime and talk to them. It's a great asset for sure.